Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add articles to Feedly. So Feedly is a news/article congregator, which makes it super easy to read all the latest news on all your favorite websites and blogs. So this is an example of my personal feed where I'm getting all the articles in a centralized location, which makes it super easy to read. So this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to add an article to Feedly, what you're going to do is that you're going to click on this RSS plus icon, and then you need to search by topic, website, or RSS link. So I have an example here from Bleacher Report. If we copy this link and input it into here, click on enter, you're going to see it auto-populate, and then this right here is an example of an RSS feed. So if I click on build RSS feed, you need to tell Feedly are the titles of the articles on this web page here. So we can tell that this right here are the titles of these articles. So if we click on this, it's going to get all those same formatted titles and use it as an RSS feed. So that's one way to actually add articles to Feedly. The other way to do it is that you could actually just use it as like a search bar. So if we scroll down, let's go ahead and add NBA The Athletic. If you click on follow and then click on the feed which you want to add this to, it is now going to be added to one of our feeds. So if we go into the feed that we just added it to, then click on the three dots and then click on manage feeds, you're going to see that it's been added here. So NBA The Athletic is now added to Feedly. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add articles to Feedly. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.